Okay, hi guys, Namaskar, good evening. Hello, my name is Hemant Modi and I'm a financial analyst of Olymp Trade broker, as you already know. So, guys, welcome to you all. As you already know, this consultation is always just helping you, and we are providing the consultations to you. This webinars is just about this topics. So, we started the as per the demand. So, we started this webinars in the different topics also. So, today we are going to discuss about the fundamental analysis. So we already started this technical and fundamental analysis options because many people are asking why we are not providing all this situation, and many people wanted that. So we are going to discuss. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. In India, we are celebrating Raksha Bandhan today and tomorrow. So all of the Indians around the world, I wish you a very happy Raksha Bandhan. So let's discuss about the fundamental analysis. What is the fundamental analysis? How we can manage the things by using the fundamental analysis? What is the base of the fundamental analysis? And what exactly the fundamental analysis? How to analyze the market and all things. So basically, every trader, like you, me, every trader who's here, that every trader who plans to make the money in the financial market, basically. What is the financial market? This is the financial market. So every trader who just wanted to come to gain the money should actually be able to predict the direction of a price movement. What is the price movement? This is the price movement which we are checking. As you see, my graph time is already 4 hours. Graph time I choose, and I saw the price movement. However, many people yesterday, I hope, saw the price movement of Bitcoin as well. So the Bitcoin is going bit high. Now before some time actually you saw the suddenly USD, Euro USD is going down. That is all depends on the fundamentally situation. Why this is going down, why this is going up. So forecasting actually carried out using certain tools, and that is called the market analysis. There are several type of market analysis basically. If I can say that this kind of market analysis helping you to according to the forecasting of any asset. I already have some trades over here. If you can check that yesterday I opened many trades in the forex, and right now I having trades and I'm using this same tool in market analysis. Market analysis basically helping you much better if you are forex trader and if you are fixed time, if you are doing trading in the fixed time trade also. So there are several type of market analysis according to the forecasting basically. Like what? Like the essence of risk, profit and loss ratio. What is the profit and ratio of the trading? Like that. Indicators, support and resistance level, FACLs, overbought and oversold zone, round number of psychological levels. Just like in Bitcoin, the 25,000 level is actually psychological level. And candlestick formations, static price level, figures, different kind of patterns. But without knowledge and understanding of the basic rules of market analysis, you can be, I'm sorry to use this word, fail. You can be fail because of one small mistake. I'm sorry. Also, let me inform you guys, please, my request to you, if you have any queries, if you have any questions, please send your details and comments to our comment box. We will definitely going to, I will definitely going to reply you all of the questions just before the consultation. But I mean the webinar is, the all topic is going to be finished, and definitely I'll provide you. Can I give some reply to some people's guys? Local news channel, sir, you are asking me to speak in Hindi. PK Gamer sir कह रहे हैं, PK Gamer sir is saying that sir please speak in English. Unfortunately I am speaking in English, sir. And local news channel is asking, sir, language is Hindi. Sir, this is a English channel. If you wanted to learn the things in Hindi, I'm sorry, this is not a right channel. We have our different channel which is called Olymp Trade India. If you can search on Olymp Trade, Olymp Trade India, you will get that channel, and all the details will be available for ND, and also the previous our webinar details are also there. So how to analyze the market? Let's come back to the topic. See guys, all the trades, all the transaction which we are doing in the trading, this is are divided into the two segment. One is intraday or short position, and second is long lasting position. What is the intraday position? The positions which we are opening in the fixed time trade, the positions which we are opening in the fixed time trade for limited time, that is called actually short or intraday position. And the position which we are holding at least, or which we are carried away, that will be called, that is called actually the long lasting or long term position. So minimum 24 hour if we can take that. So as you see, like now I'm having a Bitcoin on August 21. This trade is started from 21, it's continuously going, and today is 30 basically. So that is called the long term position. And there are two type of basically market analysis. One which we are discussing today, that is called fundamental analysis. A fundamental analysis basically a comprehensive evaluation of a country's or a company economic situation. Like in the fundamental situation, we can check the details about the country. Country means whenever we are going to do any trading, which is we are doing on currencies or stocks, details of the stocks, which is we are getting from different way, that is also part of the fundamental analysis. Also there is a one more situation which is called technical analysis. I think last time we are providing the consultation about the technical analysis, and if not, then we will also going to provide it. So technical analysis basically a evaluation of a market situation made by the observing pattern and without consideration to politics and economics. I hope that you know that whenever, okay, let me show you something. Whenever we are getting the details of this stocks, many people here from India, many people here from the different country, they all knows that every companies, big companies who's having the registration in the stock market, doesn't matter in India or Dow Jones or Nikkei, whatever, they are having a market capital. They are, because they are using the market capital, basically public money for the stocks, and they're providing some data every time. So this financial data, the reports of the company is coming every 3 months. So that's time which is we called earning season. Before that, you can only make a trading in your stocks when there is a major news coming in the stocks. Otherwise, you can only having a chance to better make a trade better properly only once the data released, the financial reports are released from the site. All right. So let's move to the next, fundamental and technical analysis. Basically, in practice, it's difficult for any trader to define him or herself as a pure technician or pure fundamentalist. Fundamental trader need to keep a track of variety of signals derived also from mere price action. So why I am only putting the 4-hour graph time? Because from here I am getting, as long graph time we are just putting, we are getting a better signal of support and resistance and other indicators, strategies. That is as long time we are using, we are getting the better results. This is the basic concept of the candlesticks as well as the tools which is we are using. So fundamental trader needs, as you already know, to keep a track of a variety of a signal driven also from the mere price actions, while at the same time not many technicians are able to completely ignore economic reports, political decisions and social issues utmost importance, which usually have the potential of introduce huge price fluctuations. How? just again one more example. As per Indian Standard Time, 5:30, 5:45 and 6 p.m. there is a three major news are coming. So the most two news are basically belongs to the USD, and both news are in the negative. So what is the effect going on at the moment? Okay, let me put my graph time for 15 minutes. So here is the graph time on 15 minutes, and you can check it out over here. First news which is come today, and that actually came at 5:30. Yep, 5:30 and 5:45 and 6. Sorry, 5:45 the news came, and this is the fluctuation happened. And then after 15 minutes, one more news came, and you see the fluctuation. This is going down. Many people knows about it, and many people's not. So this is why we are providing the consultation, that you need to be learn and you need to be understand how this all things are going to be work for you. So as a fundamental analyst of any country or any transactional history, examines a huge number of factors, social numbers, political, economic, if they are nature. Traders means you need to able to view the whole extremely complicated and interconnected fundamental picture, and that may be a challenge of a huge magnitude, because two more news will gonna come, and maybe people are thinking, okay, this news is coming and I will gonna do some trading according to that, but maybe this news is not so much important. Tomorrow also there is some news are coming. Like, we need to understand what is this, what is the most important thing over here, and what is like, okay, let it be kind of situation. So please remember to understand all the things. Let's discuss about the more about the fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis basically a set of method and way of predicting the market value of a company stocks, exchange rate, etc., etc., which is based on the consideration of several basic parameters like assessment of the current price, social factor, public policy, general economic cycle. Fundamental analysis is the study of anything can affect of price of asset. Anything can going to be affect to asset price, which is actually study of the fundamental analysis. And basically this things is mostly included two major segments, that is macro and micro factors. Now what is the macro factors? Macro factors basically depends on the economic and industry condition. Economic and industry condition, remember. And micro factors is basically, what is the micro factor? Micro factor is financial condition and company management. So the macro factors is belongs to the decision of the government, some kind of disaster happened, or any natural or unnatural things are going to be happen, then it going to be effect on the currency or inflation like situation, unemployment, all these things. But that macro factor basically financial condition and the company management. So only company can be decide something, like company provided us like, okay, the news is positive, this quarter we are getting more profitability, so I wanted to give more profit to our traders, like dividends and all things you are getting. So this is the situation. External factors and their impact on the market are evaluated. So carrying out a fundamental analysis of the market, you should have a component and well thought out plan of action, so that you don't merge everything because of your various ideas. Like, I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do this. No. I can also show you something here. Overall, you can see this my trades of yesterday. So these are my forex trades. I opened this trade just because of one news, and mostly if you can check, the assets belongs to the directly or indirectly with the USD, and I'm getting a profitability overall. Happened. Just you need to focus. It's not so easy to understand everything in a few. You need to have some patience and you need to do some practice with that. So basically the major economic indicators, are affect currency rates and the price of the various asset. And what is that? GDP, gross domestic product, non-farm payroll, NFP, various price index like CPI, PPI, PMI, etc. Economic rates. What is what? Hello, hello, hello. Guys, is it anything? I hope you all are able to hear me. If yes, if no, please let me know. Hello, hello, hello. All right. Thank you so much, Gaurav ji. Thank you. So we are discussing about the important newses. What are the important newses are coming and how to handle with that situation. So why it's important basically to use the fundamental analysis. So being a method of evaluating a security in the attempts, we are just need to actually take some interest on it. Why? Because the fundamental analysis examine the related economic, financial and quantitative and factors. Because whenever you are doing anything, your money is involved. So you need to be focused on it. For actually intense, why looking for the preliminary estimate of the expert? So basically some kind of factors are providing some more effect in the market, like as I mentioned some names like GDP, non-farm payrolls, various price index. How to know the data and all the things and how to get all the condition we will discuss definitely, and what are the important data on of the market which you can show the eyes on it, and it can be helpful for you. A trader basically who just a trader who just scrutinize the market condition with the help of fundamental analysis, basically it will usually establish a model on which a trading strategy can be based. Strategy doesn't mean that we are going to put our strategy from here. Strategy means like whatever the strategy, whatever the plan we are just thinking for the trading, and we are just doing this. So such a model basically generate a proper way, a proper set of the basically empirical data. It means the objective to project market behavior and determine the future values of the currency pairs. Any fundamental information is always very much relative. Remember, a profound study of each major fundamental indicators is needed before one is to attempt to connect all dots in order to view the bigger picture. On the other hand, a bit more practice and some experimental situation are needed to see which fundamentals are the most suitable for the one's style of trading. Please remember. Why I am providing this situation? Because sir, guys, usually what happened, this is the important thing which I am discussing to you, but mostly trader didn't like it because these are the basic and base of the trading. So usually traders what thinking, like they very much want to open the trades in the shorter way, and there is no shortcut for money, especially in case of trading scenario. You need to focus and you need to understand and learn, and if you are ready for this, then trust me, you will have a chance to get better and better results in trading. Why we are discussing the fundamental analysis? Because we wanted to change this scenario. Like we are already provided the strategies and all things. Traders asking many times They are wanting to know about the economic calendar, about the fundamental analysis, about the technical analysis and all things. So please be patient and understand the things which I am saying to you. The end goal basically of the fundamental analysis is to produce a news, a factor which is going to influence or providing a volatility of the market. Please, it is a very efficient method to project overall economic condition, but not by all the means in the prices market. Please remember. So remember one thing, any fundamental information is always very much related. From global macro data to analysis of individual regions, country, industry, company, asset, stocks. So from complex elements to simpler ones, concerning this fact, economic news can be corporate or global. So let me now show you some practical. Do not forget, please remember to correlate as it will help in trading. Example, AUD means Australian dollar. AUD Australian dollar always depends on price of gold. Whenever you see the price of gold is high, you can see the Australian dollar is up. So here is my trade of gold for yesterday, which I opened, and here is the Australian dollar, and I got a 100% profitability. You can check it out even here. Timing of the trade August 29, 1935, and closing late night. But yes, always remember, as much the Australian dollar USD price is going high, as much the gold is also going high. USD Canadian dollar. USD Canadian dollar basically has a dependency of all prices. How I can show you? USD CAD. Yeah, here is the USD Canadian dollar, and let me set here the Brent. So you can see the chart is going on opposite direction. USD Canadian, if the USD Canadian dollar become down, as much as become down, as much this Brent is going high. Why? Why this has happened? Because Canada and Russia, there are the two countries who just hold the price of the oil in the international market very tightly, because they are not only the developers and the exporters, they are a big countries who's having the more exporters and developers of the oil. That's why, if you remember that, when previously you hear about the Ukraine-Russia war, there was a situation that Europe and other many countries were just worried that if Russia has stopped the sending oil and gas to them, then that will be a crucial problem. So this is why happened. Why I am providing all this situation, and if you can check that this is all related to the correlation. All three assets are here, which is just with the opposite currency of USD, and these all are up, and then I just opened the trade on a upper trend, and USD JPY I opened the trade with the downtrend, which I'm having a 150% profitability, and right now I'm also having this just because of this news. I just opened the trade, and right now I'm getting the profitability. Why I'm providing this all situations, like this thing says depends on that thing is depend on this. Basically observing the price of the commodity asset, observing the price of one currency to other currency, we are getting some kind of close relations with each of them, and we can have a chance to open the trade. So always remember, whenever you are dealing with the currencies, try to open the trade by decision with the selling or buying USD. Means USD should be appears in your all currencies whenever you are doing trading, especially with the market news and currencies as well. However, you can easily open the trades with the others also. Fundamental Datas. Now let's discuss. We have some datas, the key indicators of the market conditions like inflation and inflation expectations, GDP, unemployment rate, interest rate, emission of money and supply, central bank policy, when the central bank decide to increase the interest rate or decrease the interest rate, like that. Foreign trade affairs, balance of import and export, public confidence and trust in national currencies. Fundamental traders consider all this as extremely important in terms of the value of a given currency. Now let's discuss about the economic calendar. Okay, if you guys want, I'll teach you how to use the economic calendar. First of all, open the website investing.com or tradingview.com. Any of the website you can choose for the economic calendar. Well, I am using the investing.com. So in the investing.com, if you can check over here, when I'm using my cursor, there is an economic calendar and then Erlang calendar. What is the economic calendar? So this is the economic calendar. Basically, I just did some change over here. In the economic calendar, as you see, for today and yesterday, you saw for yesterday and for tomorrow also, there are events listed in the economic calendar that can be influence the market. So it is the best for the inexperienced trader to refrain from the trading during the period of the significant changes, because this is the condition when the storm coming, we should not going to fight with that if we are not experienced of that, because the external factor can unexpectedly break your forecast. However, an experienced trader can be use such a situation to their advantage. It is worth to taking a look at the calendar before starting your trades. Always remember. Why? So as not to miss any important news. Maybe you are putting some trades of USD on upper trend and at the same time you are having a data which is providing a downtrend situation and your trade become unsuccessful. So please remember one. Now, what is the benefit of all this situation, like actual, forecast, previous, all what is the conditions? Previous means the data or the news which is released on the last week, last month or last quarter. Actual and forecast. Forecast means expectation. Actual means fact. So comparison number one. If the fact is better, then this news will come in the green mark. If the fact is better than the expectation, then there will be a chance the price might be increase. Point number two, if the fact is equal to the expectation like this, so that will be a cause of the price is going to be goes without any change. If that asset price is going up, then it will be continue going up, and if it will be go down, then it will continue go down. Now, fact is worse than expectation. Means forecast was this and actual is below the forecast. So the data will come in the color of red, and that will be a cause of the decreasing of the price. Might be. So now let's discuss about some of the data. What is all this situation? Like here you saw the GDP. What is GDP? Gross domestic product. I hope that you all guys already knows about it. GDP is the main indicator reflecting the state of the national economy. The total indicator of the amount of added values created for the certain period of the manufacturers operating in the country. GDP data is published always quarterly. Always quarterly come. As a rule, the indicator has a strong influence in the market. Roughly speaking, an increase of the indicator leads to an increase in the value of the national currency. If the GDP is any country's GDP is up, that means the economic situation of that country is better and the currency and the market is going higher also. If the GDP is decreased, then that is a problem. Now, non-farm payroll. What is that? This is the data which is actually coming only on the first Friday of the month. Let me put the 1st September over here. I could apply. So you can check the non-farm payrolls is here. Non-farm payrolls, NFP. The number of new jobs created in the non-agricultural sector of the economy. One of the most important indicator of the economy, this is the one of the most important actually indicator of US labor market. It is also called the indicator of drive the markets. As a rule, the data is, as I mentioned, published on the first Friday of the new month at 12:30 p.m. UTC 0. As per Indian Standard Time, 6 p.m. GMT 3:30 p.m. The indicators covers about 500 non-agriculture sector based on the survey of about 3,40,000 firms. As a rule, an increase of this indicator leads the increase of the exchange the rate of American currency, or decrease means it's going probably down. Now for tomorrow I'll show you some data. It's called CPI. However, it's a preliminary release, but that is CPI. One of second highest influensive news is this. What is CPI basically? The consumer price index. This is the one of the market indicator of inflation. It's calculated on the basis of the change in the level of price of consumer goods and service like food, clothing, fuel, transportation, medical care, etc. The reaction of foreign exchange market to inflation data depends on the stage of the economic cycle with the economic located. So this is basically comes on starting of the month like that. PPI, no. So this kind of many datas we have like PPI, the producer price index. Guys, these are the datas which is coming. That is always very crucial, especially whenever you are using the trades in the currencies. How to change the all sets and things, and how to check the conditions over here. Like, okay, here you need to go to the economic condition, and you can check even here, change the timing of country as per your country. Then there is a filter option. You need to go to the filter and you can see all the country names over there. No need to change anything. No need to change here anything. So this three type of indicators we are getting. 1 star, 2 star or 3 star news indicators we are having. What is the 1 star? Now if I open that, so you can see this is the too much big things we have. So what things are available for the economic calendar? Speech. A speech of any big person, the person who is responsible for some kind of inflation in the market. Preliminary release, revised release, retrieving data reports. About the news which is coming with the 1 star, that is low volatility expected, means we can say that nothing gonna happen in that situation. The news which is come with the 2 stars, that it moderate volatility expected, maybe it will be or not. But the 3 star category data which is came, that is a high volatility expected. So what you need to do, you need to go to this filter option. In the starting way, you can just remove this tick from the 1 star and check the 2 star and 3 star news. I'm not saying you can start trading by using this detail of news. Just at least see once what is happening after coming this data. Is this asset is moving or not? And that would be very much helpful for you. Important thing is this, the fundamental market is most important whenever you are doing trading in kind of forex, in currencies, in fixed time trade, in cryptos, anything. Because we open the trade. Okay, let's suppose that you guys are just start trading with this. You can see this, I am getting the 105% profitability over here, which is still continue. However, I already put the take profit situation of 150%. If I get, then I'll take it. But let's not be too greedy. Close the trade. Okay, so 100% profitability I got it over here. let's suppose that suddenly a person just opening a trade in the USD JPY and he didn't know that, and suddenly the market has become down and then down, down, down. That's why this candle is going too much fluctuated. You need to know that. If you are opening the trades at the fixed time trade, try to open the trade with minimum graph time 1 minute and open the trade with minimum 5-minute time frame. Better, because the long time is better in condition of the fundamental news. Now let's take some questions, guys. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Shaliya, let me start the questions from here. Okay. Yep. Local news channel, hello sir. PK Gamer, hello sir. Gautam Venkatesh, hello sir. Mahendra ji, Har Har Mahadev, Bilkul ji sir, Har Har Mahadev. PK Gamer sir, please speak in English, as I mentioned already. So, Alok Yadav, hello sir. Mohammad Nizamuddin, hello sir. Good evening. I am watching from Hyderabad. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your love. Babul Gujar, hello, 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 hello. My deposit issues on Olymp Trade. I'm so sorry to hear about this, Gujar Saab. I will request you, please contact to the support team, and they will definitely gonna help you. Abdullah sir asking, does we gonna make a live trade? Yeah, you can make a live trade, but whenever we are providing the consultation, guys, please remember one thing. This is be like the cricket match live. When I'm just saying something from here, it's coming to you a little bit late. So maybe if I open the trade and you are just going to copy me, and you know that in the fixed time trade especially, we will have unsuccessful trade just by the 1 second. So please do not copy, and also trading is a very risky thing. Try to avoid copy trading. Just understand what I'm saying or what the other analysts are saying. Follow that. Do some practice. Why to do copy? Okay. महेंद्र टूरिस्ट, भाई थोड़ा हिंदी में भी नॉलेज बोल दिया करो. महेंद्र जी नमस्कार. मैं माफ़ी चाहूँगा, आप गलत चैनल पे हैं. अगर आपको हिंदी में जानकारी चाहिए, बिल्कुल आपको हिंदी में जानकारी मिलेगी, लेकिन हिंदी की जानकारी के लिए ये चैनल आपका जो है ये है ओलंप ट्रेड ग्लोबल. यहाँ पर सारे कंसल्टेशंस और सारे वेबिनार इंग्लिश में होते हैं. अगर आप हिंदी में जानकारी करना चाहते हैं तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि आप ओलंप ट्रेड इंडिया को चूज़ करें, उसमें आपको सारी जानकारी हिंदी में मिलेगी. हसन जी, आई नीड समवन टू हेल्प माई स्टैट्स फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. In that case, sir, you can contact to the support team. Support team will definitely going to call you and he will provide you the stats of your account. Prem blocks. Prem blocks, sir, the language which you're using in the comment in Hindi, basically, I'm not able to use in front of the public. So I hope you should also understand this thing, that be gentle, sir. And if guys, we never said that if you're going to join Olymp Trade or any other company and you will get a profitability 100%. Nobody having this. We didn't said. But everyone who want to come to earn the money, we are thinking like we just open the account and in 5 seconds we are getting the profitability in billions. It's not possible. You need to learn. Let me give you one example. If you guys are just using car or bike, so obviously you need to learn for that. If you didn't know how to make gear, how to pedal, for where is the accelerator, where is the clutch and where is the brake, and you start bike or car, you will have to face the accident somehow. But try to learn. And also the car is not working only on the one gear and bike is not moving only on the one gear. We need to change the gear according to the situation, according to the condition, and here the same situation we need to do. If we wanted to open the trade according to our mindset, we try to change the way, we try to change the trend. It's not possible. We need to work according to the market and according to the trend. The market is not going to work according to us. So Prem Blogji, please remember to write anything which is not appropriate. I kindly request you. Farhan Ahmed ji, Olymp Trade really send us money. Yes, sir. Olymp Trade is a very authentic platform. We always, we are in some top companies, top trading companies, online trading companies platform app. If you can check even, we are having a huge client base around the world. So don't worry and trust us. Why we are providing the consultation? Because we want you to earn the money. That's why we are providing this webinars, consultations to the traders. Try to learn and earn. Janam Shah ji, hi, hello. Sir, it's not Harshil, it's Hemant. Abhishek R, yes, Olymp Trade sends money. I have tried. Perfect. Avatar Gaming, Olymp Trade is very genuine. Thank you so much, sir. Customer solution, bro. This is very useful. Thank you so much, sir. Actually, this is very useful. The fundamental and technical analysis, very useful thing. Babulal Gurjar, no reply. I think I gave you the reply, sir, Gujar Saab, in starting. Okay. Who else? What about the XU USD? Gold is actually, okay, if you are asking me about the gold, guys, let me tell you, gold is having a trend and the bounded condition with the mark 1900 to 9050, first of all. So whenever you see the gold is reaching the area of 1900, buy it, and with the patience. Buy it with the patience. It will maybe go below 1900 and somehow 1885, 1890. No worries. Keep it and it will give you the money. And once it's reached near to the 2000 mark, check the market scenario, check the levels, and you will have a chance to get a short the position of gold. Definitely. If you will wait with the patience, you will get the money. Can I download it after? Yes, you can, Anthony sir. You can download it after, as well as you can see it after. The videos is here still. Guys, it's actually work, but you need to study the tricks and ways to cases. Yes, Manna SS, you're right, sir. Thank you so much. Shantanu Mandal, why daily task remove? It's very hard to small trader to keep the higher status. I'm sorry, sir. Unfortunately, the daily task is not available now. But as the things are closed, maybe we will get some other things. So have patience. But other thing you have, like you can gain the profit, gain the task via, gain the XP with the referral program and our many things, education sections and programs also. But unfortunately, I'm sorry for the inconvenience. The daily task is not available for now. Maybe the company will start something after some time. Okay. Please take more trades. Gaurav ji, I already had many trades. You already saw. Right now I closed the trade in front of you with the 100% profitability. So don't be too much greedy. Thank you so much, guys. On that time I thought that I'm not connected with you. That's why I'm asking the questions to you. But yeah, everything was fine. Mr. Siddharth Kumar, Hindi. Sir, again I'm saying, मैं आपसे माफ़ी चाहूँगा. Olymp Trade India is the Hindi channel. Olymp Trade Global is the channel where we are providing the information in English. Vivek Pandey ji, hello sir. Hello. $40 loss in 2 days. I'm sorry to hear about your losses, sir. And Mohammed, sir, sorry for your losses as well. Try to learn first. Do not start the trading with the higher amount. Open the trade with the small amount, and then whenever you think that you are okay, too much confident, then just increase the money. Sir, lost. First of all, Olymp Trade have to make their deposit fast. I made deposit 2 times. It's more than 2 days. It's not a pair rate. Sir, let me tell you one thing for deposit. Whenever we thinking that the money which is we are making deposit by UPI, and once the money is just deduct from our account and it's going to be deposit in Olymp Trade account or any other account. No, sir, this has not happened. There is a 6 layer in between account to account, UPI to UPI or account to account. So in the 6th layer, where is any loopholes has come, the payment can be bit late. So If the 24 hour is already passed, Gaurav ji, I kindly request you, please contact to the support team. They will create a task for you and they will provide you the details, everything. Thank you so much, sir. So Ankit ji, just try to grab percentage from your account. I try to get 5% in a day for stop loss and TP. It's take time but grows the account slowly and yeah, absolutely correct, Ankit ji. But actually the 5% stop loss is too low. But yeah, if you are making a plan like 5% loss or 10% profitability for a day is enough for you, or 10% or 20% ratio is going to be like 10% loss if you have, and 20% profitability if you have, and you will just close your trading for a day. That will be a good idea. You should have a plan for trading. लतीफ़ खान ACD हिंदी लैंग्वेज प्लीज़, आपसे लतीफ़ खान साहब निवेदन करूँगा, कृपया करके ओलम ट्रेड इंडिया सर्च कीजिए और उस चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. रैंडम टूट्स, what deposit and withdrawal methods available for one country and the page to check before sign up? Unfortunately for this situation you need to contact to the support team. They will provide you each and everything. Without sign up also you can contact to the support team by sending the emails or. Alright, Ankush Art Avenue, hello sir, hello. Gaurav ji, please take more trades. What you wanted to tell, sir? I didn't get, please be clear. Watching you from Nigeria, thank you for the teaching this fundamental analysis. Sir, it's a pleasure for us. Thank you so much. Usha Parveena Martindale, I didn't get your point. Martingale. Martingale is the base working on the FTT. So if your one trade is going to positive, just continue with the same amount. If your one trade is going negative, then open the trade double of the first trade amount. If the second trade has become positive, then again start the trade with the first trade amount, and it will go like 4 layer. If the 4 trades are going to be unsuccessful continuously, then close your trade for some time, take a small break, come after some time and open the trade again with the first trades amount, like $5, 5, 10, 20, 40 to 50. This will be the just example I'm giving you. If your 4 trades are going to be unnecessary, I'm so sorry. If your 4 trades are going to be unsuccessful, that is only 2 reason behind it. Either you are making mistakes, and every time you are not making mistake, the market is maybe also bad. So please. Yogendra ji, hello sir, fixed time or FX and fix, which is the better long duration trade? Sir, if you wanted to open the trade for long duration, I suggest you go with the Forex. Because in short term period, what happened, whenever you are going to open the trade for like 23 hour, 24 hour, you are waiting for the 24 hour, and maybe in mid of the time that trade is going too much high. But at the moment of your trading, sometimes as per the depends on the market, as in news or something, at the exactly on the moment or nearby the moment, if your trade is going opposite, then you lost the money. And in Forex, the better situation is you can close your trade whenever you want. Like you can see it, even I close the trade with 53%, opposite direction trade I close with the 22%, 41%, 48%, and profitability is unlimited. 150% is already there, and loss, this is my stop loss. 50% stop loss, the maximum can be. Please do not put your stop loss more than 50% in Forex. All right. Watching from Nigeria, thank you so much, Mary. What are the reasons for which an account can be blocked, freezed? What are the legal and ethical grounds? Sir, for this situation, I kindly request you contact to the support team. There is a rules, there is a regulations, and if you are break any violation, maybe you will have your account might be blocked. Thank you so much. Shamima Khan, best indicator 3 minutes. Every indicator is best. Like this is the situation when trader is asking who is the best footballer, Messi or Ronaldo. Who is the best cricketer? Sachin, Tendulkar, Ricky Ponting, Virat Kohli, everyone is best. We need to just change our psychology. We are not going to stuck ourselves for any single thing only. Please remember. All right. So about the martingale, I already provided the answer for that is necessary to GDP growth market rise or can be go down also. GDP actually already yeah, if the GDP grows, nice question, thank you so much Amit ji. If GDP grows with the number of margin according to previous data, previous data, remember, then definitely it will help to grow the market. If the GDP's growth is just like, because GDP is coming as per the Indian African just going to be 0.1%, 0.1% in kind of situation. So a little bit high, but usually GDP is going plus, then market grows. Market, remember, economic market. Maybe sometime what happened, just because of the violation, volatility, actually the currency is not growing. But if you can check the same, on the same time you can check the market or index of that some particular currency. Like Indian GDP is growing, maybe the Indian rupees is not growing at that moment according to international pressure, but the market of NSE BSC is going high. Same methods can apply on the USD as well. Maybe the USD is not growing at that moment, not going high or not going just high, but the Nasdaq, Dow Jones, all S&P 500, that will be definitely go high. You can check it out and you can check the results of the previous news releases as well. And at the moment you can check and found everything is here. Just go and click and check the time of the market at the moment after the GDP coming or after any data coming. You will feel okay, what is the high volatility expected situation on that condition. Okay. सैयद शोएब, जब प्रॉफिट बहुत अच्छा है बट ओवरऑल लॉस हो जाता है अकाउंट में, तो सर इतना लालच करना ही क्यों है? जब प्रॉफिट अच्छा हो जाता है तो उस प्रॉफिट को बाहर निकालो. हम 2 का 4, 4 का 8, 8 का 16, 16 का 32 करने के चक्कर में नुकसान में आ जाते हैं. प्लीज डोंट डू दिस. ओके, सो गाइस, आई थिंक टाइम्स अप. आई होप आई प्रोवाइडेड आंसर टू ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन. बांग्लादेश से हैं सर, थैंक यू सो मच. बट अगर आप अंग्रेजी समझते हैं तो इस चैनल को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज ओलम ट्रेड इंडिया सर्च कीजिए यूट्यूब पे, वहाँ पर आपको हिंदी चैनल हिंदी लैंग्वेज में मिलेगा. रविंद्र जाट, रविंद्र, प्रॉफिट कैसे करें? सर बस थोड़ा सब्र करना है और जल्दबाजी मत कीजिए और लालच को थोड़ा सा दूर रखिए, डेफिनेटली प्रॉफिट कर लेंगे आप. या चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर पेशेंस. I hope that I provided a proper consultation. If I did something wrong, please forgive me. So again, happy Raksha Bandhan to all Indians. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please take care. Bye bye. We will meet on next week.